Hello, guys. Welcome to the second episode of 18 Area. Today, guys, I'm all alone. Remember, on that first episode, I was with a friend of mine, but unfortunately, today he couldn't make it for some personal reasons. So I'm back by myself. I hope you enjoyed the first episode, of which we made five predictions, and I got some correct, and Mishak as well got some correct, and there were some predictions that we got wrong. So I try again this week for the weekend. We had the international break, so club football is back. We saw Bafana getting 4 points out of a possible 6 with a win against Lesotho and a draw against Nigeria. So our hopes for the World Cup 2026 are still intact, guys. So hopefully we will make it to the USA for the 2026 World Cup. So I'm your host, Busiso Chauke. So my predictions for this week will be a mixture of the MTN 8 final, the La Liga, as well as the Premier League. So I'll start with the Burnley-Liverpool match. Liverpool being the only team to have won all of their opening 3 games in the Premier League, playing against Burnley, who lost against Man United 3-2 last time out. So without a doubt, I'm gonna go for a Liverpool win. They've signed Isak from Newcastle, and I believe that he's gonna make his debut and possibly get a goal or an assist, but this one goes to Liverpool. The second fixture, Orlando Pirates against Stellenbosch FC for the MTN 8 final. Remember, guys, this is a repeat of the last year's final, where Pirates won it by 3-1. So another chance for Stellenbosch to redeem themselves. They've played against Orlando Pirates in the league and they've lost 1-0. And to be quite honest with you guys, I see this game going to extra time, and I see Stellenbosch winning that game. And not because I'm a Chiefs fan or I hate Pirates. No, that's not the reason. Stellenbosch are a good team. They always sell their best players, but they always do well in big stages. So I'm giving this to Stellenbosch for their second cup after the Black Label triumph in 2023. So I see Stellenbosch winning this one. Another fixture, we've got Arsenal playing against Nottingham Forest. Arsenal lost their last game against Liverpool, and Forest they drew their last game, and now they go into the Arsenal game with the new coach, the former Spurs manager Ange Postecoglou. I don't know if I pronounced his name correctly, but I'm gonna go for an Arsenal win. They're playing at home. I think they are a great team. They just lost against Liverpool. Obviously, Liverpool is the best, one of the best teams in the Premier League. So
That lovely.
Arsenal losing to Liverpool, obviously it did not come by surprise. So I see them getting back to winning ways by winning against Forest. And we've got Brentford playing against Chelsea. Chelsea second on the log with 7 points, yet to lose. Brentford, they've lost 2 games already. They've won 1 from their 3 opening matches. Chelsea are playing away and they've won their last game against Fulham. For me, Chelsea are title contenders, and I'll give them this one. I'll give them a win against Brentford. Another fixture, we've got Athletic Bilbao playing against Alaves. That's the La Liga. Athletic Bilbao, They've won their last game against Real Betis, with Alaves drawing against Atletico Madrid. Both teams are good, but I'll go for a Bilbao win, Athletic Bilbao to win this game. Another fixture in the La Liga, we've got Atletico Madrid playing against Villarreal. Atletico Madrid without a win in this new campaign, something that's surprising to all of us. We know Atletico Madrid to be the third best team after Barcelona and Real Madrid, but this season things have not been going well. So I'm gonna go for a draw in this game. Atletico Madrid's defense is good, and seeing them starting this slow, I think they still need to play more games to get their first win. So I think this one, it's gonna be a draw between the two sides. And then in the Italian Serie A, we've got the big one, Juventus playing against Internazionale. I think Juventus have won all their 3 games. Inter Milan, they've won 2, having lost their last game against Udinese, with Juventus winning against Genoa. So this one for me is a big match. It's one of the toughest predictions I'm gonna have to make. I'm gonna go for an Inter Milan win. They've won the league last season, if I remember correctly. No, they did not. Napoli won. So I'm going for an Inter Milan win, because in that year that they won the Scudetto, as they call it in the Italian Serie A, they've been bullying Juventus. So I see that still going on. So I'm gonna go for an Inter Milan win. And then the last fixture, back to the Premier League, it's the Manchester derby. Manchester City playing against Manchester United. Another tough fixture. United winning their last game, their first win of the season, with City losing their second consecutive game against Brighton. Last season, City did lose 3 games in a row, and it's something unusual to see. And I'm gonna give this to Manchester United. So Man City for me are losing their 3rd straight game. I know they've signed a new goalkeeper in Gianluigi Donnarumma. He's a good shot stopper, but he still needs time to adapt to the Premier League and all that. So I see Manchester United taking advantage of that. That's if he starts the game. I see Manchester United winning. They are not in a good form, Manchester United, but whenever they play Manchester City, they always up their game. So yeah, this is where I see Manchester United winning their 2nd game of the season. So that's all from me. Hopefully I get some of these fixtures correct, like I did with the last predictions. So guys, please take your chances with my predictions. You can never know. I have my bet slip as well on Betway. So let's hope that I get all these predictions correct. So guys, see you next week. Hopefully you enjoy the show, and all the best. Have a good weekend. Cheers.